What's up everybody? Welcome to a new video, and in this video I'm going to display you everything you need to know about Labocosmetica's APC 덕티레. First, let me tell you the difference between 덕티레 and all other APCs, that this is true by definition an all-purpose cleaner. The rest might call it an almost all-purpose cleaner because there's always a but. Namely, don't let dry, don't use on delicate parts or stuff like that. With 덕티레, all these doubts disappear. VDA certified means it's been proven with a certificate to be safe for every single surface on the interior and exterior of the car. So you can use this for anything you can imagine, inside or outside of the car. Think about wheels, think about plastic, carbon, aluminum, leather, fabric, plastic, air screens, everything. The dilution ratios are very easy. The higher the dilution, the stronger the product, yet the safety stays 100%. 1:5 for the wheels and engine bay, 1:10 for fabrics, 1:20 for plastics, and 1:50 for pre-wash. Pre-wash? Yes, even this product is used as a pre-wash. How to use? I'm going to give you a couple of examples. You can either use this in combination with a towel or anything in an abrasion type like a brush. The product is easy to use, it leaves no marks, no streaks, it's immediately dry to the touch, it doesn't create a greasy finish, meaning that after that you have prepared the surface enough to apply your favorite protection, either for the wheels, the tires, or the engine bay, or the inside of the car. Now, first try, let's see what 덕티레 in a dilution of 1:10 can do on this car. Okay, ready to go. First, I will give you a demonstration with the wheel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the performance of the product by itself. You are free when you are cleaning your wheels to add your favorite friction or abrasion, anything that you can use to improve the performance of this product if you have any deep and static dirt. But just for this demonstration, I want to show you how well this product performs, even at a dilution of 1:10, while we suggest 1:5 for the wheels. If you are working with chemistry, 4 things always come into mind: time, temperature, dilution, and mechanical action. This is the full cycle of cleaning. There is no such thing as touchless cleaning. There is always a necessity for any physical, mechanical action to get rid of static dirt. Then I got the mechanics. In this case, I'm going to use kinetic energy in the form of water to rinse off the product and to clean the wheel sacrificially. Same philosophy. Spray product on the surface. Then we have the time. I know this is not necessary to dwell for very long. We'll just give it a single wipe. And a double wipe. Not greasy, non-sticky, immediately ready to go, ready to put on your protection. As a pre-wash. If it's very dirty, does not harm any protection. As you can see, the protection comes back to life. If it's more stubborn, combination with the brush, mechanical and chemical in one. This way you can control exactly where you are cleaning. To give you a summarize, Labocosmetica's APC 덕티레. The true APC of APCs, the one that can do it all, outside and inside. In this video I give you a couple of examples how or why to use this product. The variety of dilutions vary from 1:5 to 1:50. Find out what your favorite dilution is for the substrate that you want to treat. Remember, it is capable for anything, also for the inside of the interior. So think about the plastics, aluminum, carbon, fabric, leather, but leather needs to be in good condition because it is a strong product, and we have dedicated leather cleaner, of course, Derma. This was my video about 덕티레. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.